The Frigidaire E7 error code typically indicates a problem with the touchpad buttons on your refrigerator. To troubleshoot this issue, start by understanding the basics of your fridge's control panel. The touchpad buttons are used to adjust temperature settings, turn on the ice maker, and access other features. First, check the touchpad buttons for any visible signs of damage or wear. If the buttons are dirty or sticky, clean them with a soft cloth and mild detergent. This can sometimes resolve the E7 error code. Next, try resetting the control panel by unplugging the fridge from the power outlet, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. If the error code persists, it may be due to a faulty touchpad or a problem with the control panel's circuit board. In this case, you can try pressing and holding the door switch for 3 seconds to see if the touchpad buttons become responsive. If they do, it could indicate a software issue that can be resolved by a professional. It is also essential to check the wiring connections between the touchpad and the control panel. Loose or damaged wires can cause the E7 error code. If you find any issues with the wiring, contact a qualified technician to repair or replace the damaged components. To prevent future occurrences of the E7 error code, make sure to clean the touchpad buttons regularly and avoid exposing the control panel to excessive moisture or extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance can help extend the lifespan of your fridge and prevent issues with the touchpad buttons. In conclusion, troubleshooting the Frigidaire E7 error code requires a step-by-step approach that includes checking the touchpad buttons, resetting the control panel, and inspecting the wiring connections. By following these simple steps, you can resolve the issue and get your fridge working properly again. If the problem persists, it is recommended to consult a professional technician for further assistance.